Facebook has launched a free-to-play cloud gaming feature on its social media platform, allowing users to stream and play titles like Asphalt 9 Legends and PGA Tour Golf Shootout without having to download them. The company said in a blog post that it's offering smaller free-to-play games and won't be competing with premium cloud gaming services such as Google Stadia and Microsoft xCloud. Facebook said the feature will be available to Android and web users for now. Popular video conferencing platform Zoom is now rolling out end-to-end encryption to all users globally. This will be a technical preview for users in the first phase of its planned 4-phase rollout, for which the firm will proactively solicit feedback for 30 days. The higher-grade encryption will, however, disable certain features including cloud recording, polling, meeting reactions, one-to-one private chats, and more.
Xiaomi has launched the Redmi K30s smartphone in China. The rebranded Mi 10T features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with up to 144Hz refresh rate and a Snapdragon 865 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM. There's a 64-megapixel triple rear camera setup, a 20-megapixel selfie snapper, and a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. The Redmi K30s starts at 2,599 Chinese yuan, that is equivalent to 28,600 rupees for the 128GB storage variant, but there's no word on its availability outside China.
Google has announced that all new Pixel and Nest products are now designed with recycled material. The company has said that by 2022, it would include recycled materials in all of its Made by Google products, but hit the target early. Additionally, the company set a new target to use recycled or renewable material in at least 50% of all plastic used across all of its hardware products by 2025. Samsung has announced a 5,000 rupees instant discount and an additional cashback of up to 4,000 rupees via HDFC Bank credit and debit cards on Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. This brings the effective cost of the smartphone down to 40,999 rupees for the base 128GB storage model. The offer is applicable until November 17th. To recall, the toned-down version of the S20 flagship features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O 120Hz display. It runs on the Exynos 990 chip and houses 8GB of RAM. According to tech news website Sam Mobile, Samsung could be following in Apple's footsteps and may drop the bundled charger and earphones from the Galaxy S21 box. Other reports claim that Samsung may just remove earphones from the box and ship the device only with the charger.
OnePlus has added two new smartphones to its mid-range Nord lineup, the N10 5G and N100. While both phones pack stereo speakers and get a similar hole-punch display design, the N10 features a 90Hz refresh rate. It's got a 64-megapixel quad-rear camera setup, Snapdragon 690 5G chipset, 6GB of RAM, and a 4300 mAh battery that supports 30-watt fast charging. The cheaper N100, on the other hand, features a 13-megapixel triple-rear camera setup, a Snapdragon 460 SoC, and a larger 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. The Nord N10 5G starts at £329 in the UK, while the N100 starts at £179. OnePlus has not confirmed the India launch yet.
The affordable Realme C17 has been tipped to make its India debut in late November or early December. The smartphone was launched in Bangladesh last month and features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. It is powered by a Snapdragon 460 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU and 6GB of LPDDR4 RAM. There's a 13-megapixel quad-rear camera, an 8-megapixel selfie sensor, and a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Game Engine Unity has paired with toy maker Lego on a platform where players can build their own custom games using virtual Lego blocks instead of coding. The Lego Microgame is part of Unity's free microgame series that makes it easier for users to get into video game creation and modding. Users just need to follow a Unity tutorial, after which they can create obstacle courses for their characters, from fences and walls to exploding traps.